Hello everyone and welcome to Housey. Myself Jeetal and today we'll be doing the project overview of DRK Bellagio, which is located in Kiarpuram, Bangalore, a project developed by DRK Projects. And in this video, we'll be discussing about project overview, location, amenities, super built up area, booking process, launch discount, offers, and many more. Now, let me show you the surrounding of the project. So, this is the marketing office of DRK Bellagio project. And now about the land parcel. So, the land parcel is just behind this beautiful marketing office. Now, let me introduce you with Housey. So, Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects home buyer directly with developer, thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike current listing platform where if you do a single inquiry, your contact number is shared with multiple brokers, which will result in too many phone calls. Well, you no need to worry because Housey is here who connects you directly with builders. Because in Housey, the listing is done by the builders and not the brokers. So book your dream home directly with builders on Housey. Now let's start with the project overview. So this project will be constructed on total 3.12 acres of land parcel where there are total 76 units, where 46 units are of villas and 30 units are of villaments. Here all the villas and villaments are of 4 BHK. So what exactly villaments are? So the villament are the combination of villa and the apartments, where basically you'll be living in the apartment and with the totally feel and experiencing of the villa. Now let's discuss the location part, and this project is exactly located in Kithiganur in Kiarpuram, Bangalore. And let me tell you that basically these are the internal road which connect you towards Old Madras Road. And now about the further connectivity and location of the project. So you can connect to Birla Open Minds International School in just 800 meters from the project. Shooters Sports Arena is just 1.1 kilometers away. Satya Sai Multi-Specialist Hospital is 4.7 kilometers away from the location of the project. Now let's discuss the amenities part, and this project provides you 30 plus world-class amenities like of rooftop swimming pool, rooftop bar, kids play area, yoga deck, AV room and many more amenities. Now coming to the super built up area. So as mentioned, this project has a combination of villas and villaments both, where the villas starting from 3307 to 3346 square feet and villaments starting from 3018 to 3430 square feet super built up area. Now let's discuss the booking process, and the project booking window is open now. Interested client can visit the site where our sales team will explain the complete project detail, will share the payment and pricing scheme, and will show you the actual land parcel as well. And then if clients like the project, they can proceed for the booking. So everyone, this was the project overview of the residential villa and villament project, that is DRK Bellagio, a project developed by DRK Projects, which is located in Kiarpuram, Bangalore.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.